As a serious YouTube beer review artist, it's about time I started reviewing more international beers, the original American craft brews. Beers that don't need fancy labels with titties on them. Like men still haven't yet discovered internet porn or clever names that sound like drugs or types of weed. I mean, all these are fine and dandy because who doesn't like drugs and boobs? Am I right, 21 to 35-year-old white males? Today's beer is an Orval Trappist Ale, a beer I have bought several times over the years, mainly because the bottle looks old. And Trappists don't fuck around with beer. I also don't think they say fuck, either. I apologize, Lord. Let's pour it, because that's one step closer to drinking it. Of course, the other goal, other than drinking, after buying a beer, is breaking your 7th bottle in half on the beer garden bar to use as a shank after getting into a fight about whether a Trappist is a fur trader or someone who brews beer for the Lord. The look is a cloudy golden orange with some silt in it. It took about 10 minutes for the head to dissipate, which is a little unusual. Then after that, a thin layer of foam. One thing that isn't unusual for this channel, though, is the consistency of its inconsistent pours. But yeah, this one was way foamier than I expected. The smell, an orange and citrus smell, hits you first with a sweet fruit. Maybe a white grape. I feel like there's some hops in there, but I only smelled that after I tasted it. Which, of course, I haven't done yet, right? Do I shoot these out of order? All in all, pleasant and beautiful. Words I, of course, have totally used to describe people before, and not just beer. The taste. In one word, I love it. That's 3 words. It's complex and balanced. It has bitter hops. My wife tried it and didn't like it. I said, "But you like hops?" And she said, "Not that kind of hops." Whatever, more for me. I detected cloves on the first few sips, but then couldn't find them again. The mouthfeel is bitter, with undercurrents of subtly sour fruit, a dry but feathery taste of alcohol that floats off your tongue. I've had this beer before, but I don't remember enjoying it quite as much. But the good news is I'll remember it now because I can go back and watch this dumbass video about it. One of my more favorite Belgians in a while. Might I say my favorite? If you like this sort of review, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, donate something small or large to my Patreon, because that's basically like buying me a beer but without hearing any of my shitty stories. Thanks for watching.